Hey everybody, my name is Buddy Blackford and I will be teaching you about Adobe After Effects. I was drinking with Bucky at the bar and we're doing a bunch of shots, and all of a sudden he just asked me to make him some YouTube videos, and I was like, hey, why not? Sounds awesome. So here I am. The version of Adobe After Effects I'm using right now is CS6, you can see there. And I couldn't figure out how to get that off. Jeez. And basically this first tutorial is going to be a small introduction. I'd like to introduce you to the workspace and what I like to have my workspace set up and everything like that. And then I'll teach you more in a series of tutorials later. So starting as the workspace, this whole area is called your workspace. And if you go to Window, you have workspace here, and there are different types of workspaces. You can create your own, and you can have the standard one. I created my own, and I like to use that one, and I'll show you different ways to tweak them also. So over here on your left, that I have highlighted right here, this is the project panel. You can import videos, pictures, folders, and your compositions will appear here, and then you can also search for the different folders with your composition, because when you get on larger projects you'll have a lot of stuff in here. Over here in the middle, this is the composition panel. This is where any of your video and or pictures will show up, and then you can see how the effects work on them and see what they look like. Down here at the bottom is the timeline panel. Your different layers and effects will be shown here, and there is a timeline that will actually show up in this area, and you can scrub back and forth in it. Over here on this side is the effects and presets panel. It froze. Oh, it's unfroze. And right here you can find your different effects. So if you type in something like blur, you can say here's the presets, and then here's your actual effects, and then you can drag them onto your different video footage or pictures, and to create cool looking stuff. Here's the paragraph panel, and the way you get to that is going to Window, Paragraph. If you click on it, it'll go away. Then you click on it again, which it shouldn't be enabled if you first started After Effects. So you click on it and then it'll appear. And a lot of the times if you're doing commercials, you're going to be writing text, and it'll be in there, and that is very helpful to have. I don't know why they don't have it in there to start with, but I would recommend putting it in over there. This is your preview panel, and this is where you can do what they call RAM previews, or you can just do regular previews. It'll show you your video footage in order, so you can see how your effects are going to play out, and make sure you can get your timing and animation looking nice. Up here is the info audio panel, and pretty much I never use this unless I need to find like a color or coordinates or something like that, and mostly if I'm doing audio I do it in a different program, but you can also do it in After Effects, and it's not that bad to do it, but I just basically don't use this whole section a lot. Up here is the tools panel. You have different things like zooming and rotating, and you can select your text from here. Most of the time when you get good, you're gonna not really use this too much. You're gonna want to use your hotkeys, because that speeds up your work way faster. So that's just a basic overview of the area of the screen. Just wanted to introduce myself. Again, it's Buddy Blackford. I'm doing the After Effects videos for the New Boston for a while, and hopefully I'll be doing some other ones too. So I hope you guys continue to watch and check out my next video. See ya!